Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good बच्चों. All are well, I hope so. So today we are going to start new chapter which is related to conjunctions. तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे conjunctions से related ये प्यारा सा chapter. So let's get started students. A word which is used to join words or sentences together is called conjunction. ऐसे words बच्चों दो words को, दो sentences को, दो phrases को even join करने का काम करते हैं, help करते हैं, उन words को हम बोलते हैं conjunctions. So look at Mohan and Riya. Mohan is jumping and Riya is skipping. Is Mohan jumping or skipping? Mohan is a boy but Mary is a girl. Mohan is a boy, so he plays football. Riya cannot go to school today because she is ill. Riya's sister is 6 years old and she goes to school every day. In these sentences, the conjunctions are painted in color type. तो देखा बच्चों यहाँ पर जो printed color में दिए गए words वही कहलाते हैं conjunctions. So they were very fond of bread and butter. We went to Kashmir and had a splendid time. Ice is cold but fire is hot. I like Bob because he is always cheerful. Make hay while the sun shines. And we shall not play the match if it rains. He failed although he worked hard. You will not catch the train unless you walk fast. We have not seen her since he was married. I told her plainly that I would not drink tea. Next है बच्चों the use of conjunctions को लेकर. तो first C part के अंदर दिया गया है conjunctions are used for joining one sentence to another sentence. यहाँ पर देख लेते हैं किस तरह से दो sentence को join करने में helpful होते हैं conjunctions. Study the following example by using and को लेकर सबसे पहले सीखते हैं. I shall go to the market. I shall bring you sweets. I shall go to the market and bring you sweets. He sells mangoes and he sells oranges. He sells mangoes and oranges. By using but का use देखते हैं बच्चों यहाँ पर first category. Raja goes to school. Sudha stays at home. Raja goes to school but Sudha stays at home. Ram worked hard. He did not win the prize. Ram worked hard but he did not win the prize. And third category के अंदर by using so, therefore, because, as, since इनका use करेंगे बच्चों example में. It is raining. I cannot go to school. It is raining so I cannot go to school. Or it is raining therefore I cannot go to school. Or I cannot go to school because it is raining. और since it is raining I cannot go to school. Fourth part के अंदर दिया गया बच्चों by using though, although and still का use. He could not pass, he tried often. He could not pass though he tried often, or although he tried often he could not pass, or he tried often still he could not pass. And fifth part के अंदर by using or, else, otherwise और unless का use देखते हैं बच्चों. Work hard, you will fail in the examination. Work hard or you will fail in the examination. Or work hard as you will fail in the examination, or work hard otherwise you will fail in the examination, or unless you work hard you will fail in the examination. तो आपने देखा बच्चों एक सेंटेंस को हम कितने तरीके से बोल सकते हैं with the help of conjunctions. तो ये आप बच्चों इनका यूज करेंगे सेंटेंस के अंदर और चैप्टर से रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज भी खुद से कंप्लीट करेंगे.